Hello everyone. Today I would like to talk about something that often confuses translation students. That is the different types of translation. But here's the key idea. The way we classify translation actually depends on what aspect we focus on. Let's start with the type of text. If we consider what kind of text we are translating, then we can talk about literary translation, for example, for novels, poetry, and drama. Or legal translation, for contracts, laws, and official documents. Medical translation is another one, for patient reports. We can also talk about journalistic translation, for news articles and media reports. And of course, we can have technical or scientific translation. So here, our classification depends on the content and context of the text. But if we shift our focus to how we translate, that is the strategy or approach, then we get another set of categories. For example, word-for-word translation, where we translate each word literally, or literal translation, which stays close to the source but still respects the grammar of the target text. Or we can have free translation, which focuses on meaning rather than the form. Now let's look at a translation from another angle, the product itself. When we think about the end product, we can divide translation into written and oral forms. Written translation is simply what we usually call translation. But when it comes to the oral form, we enter the world of interpreting. And interpreting itself has several types. We can have simultaneous interpreting, where the interpreter translates orally what a speaker is saying at the same time. We can also have consecutive interpreting, where the speaker speaks for a few minutes, then the speaker stops, and the translator translates what has been said, and so on. So translation isn't just one activity. It's a whole field with different layers and different perspectives. Whether free or literal, medical or legal, each type of translation plays a role in connecting people and cultures.